If you have data on your worksheet that you'd like to summarize, you may want to group the data. When you group your data, you can create an outline with up to 8 levels of organization. When your data are grouped, the outline appears to the left of the row headings. The groups can be collapsed or expanded by selecting the plus or minus signs, or by selecting the numbers corresponding with the level of the outline. One type of grouping is called subtotal. Using subtotals, you can group your data as well as create a summary row with a subtotal number. You cannot use subtotal options with tables, however. To create an outline using subtotal, you'll first want to sort your data. Then, select all of the data you'd like to include and choose Subtotal from the Data tab's Outline group. Next, you'll choose how you want your subtotals to appear and select OK. It's important to note this is also how you can quickly remove all subtotals.